P, Q, R are the feet of the altitudes of the triangle ABC. If 1, 5 and 5 by 3, 7 by 3 are orthocenter and centroid respectively of triangle ABC, then the circumcenter of triangle PQR is. So what is given in the question? So there is a triangle ABC and PQR are the feet of the altitudes. So let us consider the altitudes. So these are the feet of the altitudes, and we know that the triangle which is formed by the feet of the altitudes is a pedal triangle. So this PQR is a pedal triangle. Okay, and now what is given 1, 5 and 5 by 3, 7 by 3 are the orthocenter and centroid. So orthocenter is given 1, 5 and centroid is given 5 by 3, 7 by 3, and we need to find and we can find the circumcenter of triangle. Let us consider circumcenter is alpha comma beta. Since we know the relation like orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter, the centroid divides the orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. So if circumcenter is alpha comma beta and G is the 0.5 by 3 7 by 3 and orthocenter is 1 5, so we can find 2 times of alpha plus 1 times of 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 5 by 3, and 2 times of beta plus 1 times of 5 divided by 2 plus 1 3 is equal to 7 by 3. So from here we can just find the value of alpha. Alpha is equal to 2 we can write, and beta is equal to 1. So we can say that centroid of triangle ABC, no, circumcenter, sorry. This is circumcenter. Circumcenter of triangle ABC is nothing but 2, 1. Okay. And now, since we also know the one relation, circumcenter of pedal triangle. So PQR, circumcenter of PQR is required, that is pedal triangle. So one important point. Circumcenter of pedal triangle is equal to midpoint of the orthocenter and circumcenter of given triangle, of original triangle. So here midpoint of orthocenter, what is orthocenter of original triangle? Original triangle orthocenter is 1, 5, and circumcenter of original triangle is 2, 1. So we need to find the midpoint of this both. So circumcenter of pedal triangle PQR is nothing but midpoint of 1, 5 and 2, 1, which is equal to 1 plus 2 3 3 by 2, and 5 plus 1 6 6 by 2 is 3. 3 upon 2, 3 is the required answer. This is the circumcenter of pedal.